Glasses is on, glasses is off. Glasses is on, glasses is off. Hey guys, it's Eve. Today we're going to be painting the side of my mini fridge because coronavirus. And so to defeat our boredom of not going outside, I mean, we're allowed to go outside, we're not under quarantine or anything, but like, yeah, I'm not going outside that much lately, so we're gonna go paint my mini fridge. So I bought this mini fridge for me and my friend. We share a room together. Anyways, I texted her and I was like, hey, what if I painted the mini fridge? Haha, just kidding. Unless. Also, I look like crap, but I got a haircut. Let's get started. I'm going to be using my good old pink Posca marker, because why not? I think I might do this side just in case I like mess up, and I don't want to, like, you know, that's the first thing you see, so I'm just gonna do that side. It's fine, and then if I feel like it, I'll do it on the front side. I decided to do the front side of the fridge. Time to mess it up, guys. So my friend and I have this inside joke, and we're just like, ¿Quieres? Oh my god. Ugh. My leg fell asleep. Okay, back to work.